Hi guys, we've had some reports of people not being able to follow our terrain video when using Unity 2021. At the moment, the Terrain Tools package doesn't show in the package manager for some reason, so this is just a quick video showing how to install the package manually. First of all, we'll open the package manager. Then we'll click the plus button and select Add Package by Name. We'll enter com.unity.terrain-tools in the name field. When we click the Add button, it will then download the Terrain Tools package. You can now click to download the additional asset samples and continue with the video from there. Okay, that covers everything for this video. Hope you found it useful. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. If you find our channel useful and would like to help support our work, you can find us on Patreon and Ko-fi.com. Thanks guys.